Hello. So, when I speak of the chocolate disaster that somehow happened in this machine, this is it. So, it appears to me, certainly the two RAM chips on the right were contaminated, as were, I believe, certainly the ROM chip on the right and perhaps the ROM chip next to it. They produce strange results. Anyway, I have been to the store. I have cleanser, special electronic stuff, and also some new sockets, because that may be what is required. Anyway, I don't know how this chocolate disaster happened, but, and by the way, it's not wet. I don't know how long it's been there. It's hard. Anyway, certainly that cannot be good for connections at all. And from what I found, it certainly is proving that it is not. And it doesn't take much to cause an error. So it is time to clean.